Then we need to draw the plates that will hold the purlin. So we need to start a sketch on this face. And then select a center line, snap to this point, and then pick a point and draw another point on the intersection between this edge and this line. After that, set a distance between the point and this one of 100 millimeters. Then convert this edge and select midpoint line, set this to 100, and then draw a vertical line and set it, and then draw a circle. The diameter should be 14, and this distance should be 32, and this distance here should be 18. Then draw another one, select these 2 points and make them vertical. Then make the 2 circles equal, and then set a distance between them of 50. Once done, select mirror entities and select this circle, this one, and this line, and mirror all of them about this line. Once done, select the trim entities and trim this part. As we know, the thickness of this end cap is 5 millimeters, so we should extrude this sketch 105 millimeters away from this face. So select extrude, and this time instead of sketch plane, select offset and set this to 105 millimeters, and make sure to flip the direction and set this to 5 millimeters. And it's very important to have the direction of the extrude to be this way. So the distance from this face here up to the end should be 105. Let's double check this. Go to evaluate, measure, select this face and this one. And here the normal distance between them is 105, which is correct. After creating this plate, we need to go to Features, Linear Pattern, then select the right plane, and here spacing and instances. Instead of 10 millimeters, hit equal, global variable, and then C to C. And the number is 2. Then go down to bodies and make sure to select everything. Then hit OK.